In this video, I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account using the WhatsApp app on either your iPhone or Android device. If this video helps you out, feel free to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It really supports me. Alright, to begin deleting your WhatsApp account. The first step is to open the WhatsApp app on your Android or iPhone. Once WhatsApp is open, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Setting inside the Settings menu. Tap on Account Now on the Account page. Scroll to the bottom and select the last option, Delete My Account. Here, you'll see that deleting your account will permanently remove all of your messages, groups, and any channels you may have created. Proceed. Simply enter the phone number that's linked to your WhatsApp account. Then tap Delete Account. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, your WhatsApp account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you delete a WhatsApp account. If this guide helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching.